My name is James Weldon. I studied marketing with management at the School of Management and Business.
I'm Megan Ty and I studied marketing with management.
My name is Anastasia and I'm about to graduate as an economics and management alumni.
Sophie McGill and I'm studying accounting and finance, or I studied accounting and finance.
Katerina Stivasari Jones. I will be graduating with an MBA today.
Chris Hensley and I'm graduating in international business and public policy.
I'm Adrian. I did business and management with law at Aberystwyth University, and yeah, I'm graduating now.
A very empowering course, I have to admit. It gives you a sense of being able to see the bigger picture and where you fit in it.
I had a chance to explore how the fields of business and politics intersect, and that's something I've always been interested in.
I could mix the two courses, having the side of business plus law, theories and everything you need to learn about the legal side really. The two complement each other really well.
Choosing a major minor course made my studies more widespread. So I learnt the marketing side of things, but then I also got the more serious management, HRM, the security of being in a place that is so nice as well. It's really helped.
The teachers are really great, they're really supportive.
Everyone in our department is so close.
When you're in sixth form or college and school, there's that level of respect that kind of divides you and you can't get to know each other on a social level. Whereas at university, you know each other on first name terms. It's just brilliant. Everything is so much more intimate here.
Between my second and third year I did the Year in Employment scheme and I worked at the Walt Disney Company in London.
I did internships during the summer holidays. So I went to India and worked at Volkswagen. I worked at Henkel in Germany.
I am working as a marketing assistant and it's brilliant. It's a really widespread job and I'm doing lots of different things.
So I've got a graduate job with PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. So I start that in September. I go on to do my ACA qualification as well, so I'll get my chartered accountancy with that.
I'll be working at Deloitte Consulting in Frankfurt, in the Frankfurt office, doing marketing and sales consulting.
As a student town, it is absolutely perfect.
It's very much a close-knit kind of community, a bubble as it were. You make so many great friends. I just had the best 3 years of my life really.
You get everything. Okay, so you get your pubs. For those who like it, you get your social life, you still get very favourite names and famous names coming to our art centre.
You get to know people from all kind of countries and, you know, with different nationalities, speaking tons of languages, and yeah, it's just brilliant.
It has been 4 best years of my life. If we went 4 years back, I wouldn't change it for anything.
I have loved every second at Aberystwyth.
As excited as I am for the future, I'm really, really sad to shut a door behind me.
I have a lot of really good memories from this place, so I figured I'd stay on for one more year and make some more.